Here's an update from Lavalle, Brown, and Ronan.
Whether you slipped and fell on a wet grocery store aisle, tripped over goods in a department store, or had an accident in another public venue, property owners can be held liable for injuries that occur because of negligent maintenance or a failure to warn patrons of a potentially dangerous condition. If you are injured on someone else's property and want to file a slip and fall lawsuit against a negligent party, there are several important steps you need to take to help substantiate your claim for damages and maximize your monetary recovery. First, you must report the slip and fall accident. Document every detail to prove that a hazardous or unsafe condition existed. Gather eyewitness information, call 911, seek medical attention, and save your medical records, and then speak with a personal injury attorney, says attorney Ken Ronan. Victims may sue for a host of damages, including loss of income and future earning potential, past and future medical bills, emotional distress, and loss of enjoyment of life. In uncertain times, you want a trusted advocate on your side. Lavalle, Brown, and Ronan's team of experienced litigators can help you and your family get the results you desire.
For more information, visit bocalaw.com.